So I got myself it's for shoes, but I'm not gonna be using it for shoes. I'll be using it for my organization up in here. So yeah, the struggle is real, okay? But you know, screwdrivers, electrical one is the best choice, okay? Trust me. And they're so worthy. We did it. Finished. It's not perfect because I have an idea of how I want this. So create like boxes like this size or order some, so I could just open it and drag it out like that. Or I just create it myself with certain ideas that I could do. So yeah, so I'm using only boxes that I've ordered, and these are, I cut them up in half and just use them. Sometimes I just keep them the way they are, right there and over here. So so at the moment I'm creating extra storage, testing it out, seeing what I really want. Like, it's the best thing to do in figuring out how you want your station, your storage to be. It's by using the cardboard boxes, and create your own stuff. And I was really satisfied. And I really want to create this type of storage. Obviously, I'm speaking to you 2025 about this, but this is the steps that I applied, just finding a way to put everything away, organized little by little. And yeah, that was my goal for the longest, for this whole 5 years, trying to find storage and how to organize everything that I have. And I kind of figured it out, but not sure if I did, because it will change over time. Depends on what you're doing and where's your location. So you'll be seeing what I've been doing like throughout the years. Right? I'm gonna glue this, but I think I'm not. So I'm gonna take out certain things from here. I'm also gonna use it and add like a handle or something here, maybe a nail, so I could pull it and use it, as it is, as a box. And the color brown, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now we're taking a break. making stickers for the first time. These are Yummoso's Sundays. So it was fun, but I had a hard time understanding, but I figured it out. Remember, I'm talking in 2025. I did it. I did the stickers. They're very cute, but I wish it was more, but I'm gonna figure it out. The cutting as well, I need to figure that out. Need to calibrate it again, see what I did wrong, and fix it. Can't complain. My first time doing this. Now we begin. We're making handles for the little storage cabinet, storage box, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm using baby oil to clean off all the rust and everything that is on those nails because they're old. They're from my father, and some of them are new too. So I'm using it because I want to make it easier to deal with. And yeah, it looks cute. I love it. See that? I know how to do stuff. But yeah, I just use, a scissor, poke the hole, and just add the nuts, the bolts together and made a handle. Now, I'm not using that today in 2025. I am using something else, which I will show you um, when we're done with this. And yeah, like it works well now, but I really miss this process. This was a fun process. So now I create my Yummoso cracker and I make them in different sizes just to test out the shrinkage from this material. So we got them here. We're gonna separate them because what happens is that they'll, start moving. Um, this is the part that I don't know properly. I don't know if to put parchment paper or wax paper. I don't have wax paper. So I'm gonna test it out without it. See how it will work out. Um I put it just like this, but I'm going to test out which one is the best. I have shiny at the bottom and shiny showing up like these, shiny, and this is the matted one. You don't see no shine on that one right here. So 325. I leave it for a little while. I just start off. See. So I really enjoyed this process. First time ever seeing my items being created and testing it out. Just like, the beginning stages of doing something for your business. It's one of the funnest things. So yeah, I'm learning. Whatever I'm doing here is just a learning process, but I know how to do it now. This one was the one that was flat, but it had a curve or something. It's so cute. It's rough like a cookie. A little cracker. And it has the ridges. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but let me see how strong. Yo, this is very strong. This has a little curve. A strong curve in the back. Now, the tiny ones I truly do like. So I am creating cupcakes. Um, at first it was just bottle caps that I made a mold. First time making a mold, liquid mold, and using this foam thing. Um, and it's pretty strong. It gets really hot, so I was like, "Oh, let me use it. Let me create." And look, how cute is that? Making little cupcakes with cats. So yeah, I'm selling these. These are like the cutest thing. And I have my old one that I used and I kept it, testing it out for a whole year. But it lasted longer. It lasted like 3 years. I still have it. So I found these chocolates rubber flowers that I made. And they're really squishy. I'm just gonna add them in there. So I'm gonna do this one, add them in there. It's getting dry. It'll stick. And if it doesn't stick, that's fine. I just add a little bit of the frosting, fake frosting. Look what we got right now. Let me get you up close so y'all can see. Look at that. A little chocolate flower on top. Oh no, beautiful chocolate. So I got these. Get up. So I got the shards. It looks super weird. Oh man. So chocolate flower. Are the stickers? So I do all my stickers on the phone. I made a black one. So cute. The basic one with the chocolate chips, design. Making it very unique that, you have different kinds. I'm working on it. It's not the best, but I'm working on it. Let's see if we achieved it. We did it! Oh my gosh, we did it, guys. I'm using a MetroCard. Oh snap! This was a very fun process, making stickers, making the shrink plastic, a little figurines, and yeah, just building my own stuff. This was a fun experience, and I can't wait to show you more of what I've been doing throughout the years. All right, so I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.